Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all best possible content in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates. Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear mask and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today we will cover the 8th chapter of Marigold, an interesting story, MITTU and the Yellow Mango. This story is based on a parrot, MITTU. Friends, listen and enjoy the story. MITTU was a parrot, a green parrot with red beak. Friends, look at the picture of the bird. This is called beak, and here the beak is red in color. Now let us move on to the next slide. One day MITTU was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. MITTU liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. It means MITTU wanted to eat that ripe yellow mango. So he flew down to the tree. Caw, caw, go away, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. MITTU was afraid of the crow. He flew away. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Now friends, let us come back to the topic. After that, MITTU saw a red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. MITTU hit upon a plan. Now let us see what MITTU did with this red balloon. He flew away to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. MITTU went behind the tree. He picked the balloon with his red beak. Caw, caw, a big gun after me, said the crow. He never came back to the tree. After that incident, MITTU came to the tree. He ate the yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Clever MITTU. After MITTU ate the ripe mango, he was very happy. And from the moral of the story, we can say that MITTU was very clever. Friends, I hope you all have enjoyed the story very much. I will provide you more examples worksheet in our FB and Telegram group. So friends, don't forget to join our FB and Telegram group. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is 46. Friends, look at the number. It is a 2-digit number. It comes after 45 and comes before 47. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I am a domestic bird and I am black in color. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.